How to deactivate Facebook Messenger. Open Messenger, click on hamburger icon on top left corner and then click on settings. Now scroll down to bottom and go to Meta Center. Click on see more, click on personal details and then click on account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion and select the account that you want to deactivate. Now here you can see two options, deactivate or delete. Click on deactivate account and then click on continue. Now enter your Facebook account password and continue. Now give any reason to deactivate your Facebook account and click on continue. Again scroll down to bottom and click on continue. Now in the middle of the screen here you can see continue using Messenger. Make sure you unclick that to deactivate your Messenger account and scroll down to bottom and click on deactivate my account. Here you can see I have successfully deactivated my Facebook Messenger account. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.